Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, this is one of those other things. Some of you may, some of you may not know that I make certain items for aftermarket Weber kettles. They probably work on other kettles too, but I really design them for the Weber kettle. They might work on the Smoky Mountains and things like that. But I make certain products for them, like the aftermarket brackets for mounting a kettle bowl onto a performer frame. I also make aftermarket handle brackets, like if you want to add them to your WSM so you can carry around the middle piece and have handles on each side. Also make lid brackets. If yours is rusted out, you can drill them out, put some washers and then bolt it on there, that kind of thing. And it's all made out of stainless steel, so it's going to last for a long time. Well, I'm excited because I got a new product I'm going to show you. So let's go take a look at it.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, this is just a basic Weber kettle. And like I said, there's some of the products we make, the aftermarket brackets for kettles to mount onto performer frames. We also have brackets for mounting on the side of a WSM, or even like here if you wanted to replace these. And then you also got your modern style lid bracket, just like that, for that if you want to remove the taco, or yours is rusted out and you want it just like that. What I've decided to come out with, I hate running my probe up underneath the lid of the lip. So here you can see I am now making covers for drilling out and putting a probe hole through your kettle like that. So that fits on there like that, and then you can close it all the way up when you don't have anything in there and it'll stay. But not only that, let's go down here. I'm also making them for, like, if you have a barbecue guru or a fan that you want to put in your kettle or your WSM. I make this port cover for it too. You got your hole there where your fan would go in, and then when you're not using it, just cover it back up and you're good to go. Let me show you the inside real quick. That's how easy it is to install the port cover. Let's take a look at that from the other side. Okay, for your aftermarket fan, like a barbecue guru or whatever, you need to drill a 3/4 inch hole through your kettle, and the placement of it is kind of important. So right here you can see this is the bracket that holds your bottom grate, and then you've got your sweeps. Sweep it over there. You can see you want to have clearance for your sweep. So that's usually how I do it. I set that little cap that goes on there just above there, and then if you watch, I'll put my grill grate on there, and the hole is just below that. And there's plenty of room for the remainder of the cap, even if you have to slide your grill grate over a little bit. So this is about the thickness of that cap, and you can see it fits underneath the rack. I've got room for it to fit, and it'll just be up there a little bit, but not bad. Now, I've also drilled out for the port cover. This is where your port cords, like your thermometer and your pit temp cord, would come through. You can make that a little bit bigger, probably a 1/2 inch. Right now it's about 3/8. So let me show you that. So there we have our grill grate on, and you would just stick your pit temp and meat temp right through there, and that's how that would work. so you're not having to pinch it in the lid. So you see here we have our cable going through. We have our stainless steel hardware on here. And there's the hole in our port cover. You notice we have a custom cut on it, so it fits right on there, like that. And you can run a couple cords through there, whatever you need. Now we have these in two styles. We have them with the slit, or we have them without the slit, to where it's all solid. Your choice. There's your Guru fan cover, and then it slides up out of the way. You need to put your fan on there. Yeah, so now we have Pro port covers. If you want to drill out your kettle and you want to insert a cover over it, got that for you. And then also the Barbecue Guru, or your thermostat controlled fan. If you want to put that on there, you now have a cover if you choose to take it off. Now, right now, I'm offering those in either high heat black paint, or you can get them, in the raw stainless, and you can paint them whatever color you want. Just let me know what you want, and then I can also, for the WSM, I can kind of form them to fit that too. Yeah, you can check these out on our website at Rshackbbq and Catering. Then you go to Weber Parts, and then it'll be in there, a few pictures, and you can contact me, and we'll communicate back and forth, figure out a good, see what your needs are, and go from there. Pretty neat little add-on to your Weber kettle, pretty easy to do. If you have any questions, you can always get a hold of me as far as how I drilled them out and where I bolted everything to. So just reach out to me at rshackbbq@gmail.com or through the website. Thanks for watching, and grill on.